Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a reliable backup and that you hold drop privileges. This prevents accidental data loss. Once connected to the server in SQL Workbench/J, check current connections and lock status so you can safely proceed. Make sure no essential services depend on this database and note the exact database name. Small typos here create big problems. Now that you're connected and confident, you're ready to identify running sessions, to terminate before issuing destructive commands. Once done with verification, list active sessions using the server-appropriate query so you can see blockers. Then terminate those connections cleanly. Use kill for MySQL or PG terminate backend for Postgres because open sessions prevent drop. After sessions are cleared, execute drop database, your DB name, and confirm the command returns success. Make sure to double-check the exact name and quotation, if supported. Run commands within a controlled transaction or maintenance window to reduce risk. After the drop completes, verify removal by querying information schema or server catalogs to confirm the database no longer appears. If you hit errors, check server logs, active locks, and your privileges. Sometimes a lingering session or insufficient permission blocks deletion, so rerun the termination steps and retry. If data was lost unexpectedly, restore from your saved dump or backup utility immediately. One key troubleshooting tip. If drop reports database in use, list and forcibly terminate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.